I will get the thing. She missed it.
Sorry.
Thank you.
On her phone.
Brenda's
phone
texting.
technology. This is what happens. So, trying to explain earlier. I'll be introducing your evaluators. Leo Scott. You'll be evaluating Gail's speech. And Leo has seen the movie Ender's Game twice for free last Friday.
For free? For free?
Yeah, for free. Which he thinks the book was much better. He expects to finish building his AR-15 before the end of the year, if all of you have seen that in the presentation. He can explain reflection, DDoS attacks, which falls in line with technology tonight. Maybe we should hear that during this. And he's thrilled to be in the same room as Newton's principle. Wait. How do you say it?
Principle.
Yeah, there you go. That's the math science guy. For you all of you know what that is? Yeah, neither do I, so. Leo Scott, come on down.
All right. All right. Very good. Gail, what a wonderful, wonderful presentation. I enjoyed what you shared with us of your own history, your own past, and how you mixed that into this topic and used it as evidence to help try to convince us in a particular direction. Because that was the goal of number 9, is you're going to persuade us. And it's easy to spout a lot of figures, a lot of facts, and tell us about why somebody else thinks we should think this. But you use the much more powerful technique of using your own history, something that you're the expert on you. So you are the most powerful speaker about the history that you had of your own life. And like the other times that you shared your own personal experience, it was both information that led us to think about what you were going over, but it was also this very powerful emotion. It was very much of a tapping our feelings in relation to the subject. And without in any way being calculated in that sort of direction. It was it was naturally powerful in both directions. Got a soundtrack to my speech. Excellent. So being able to connect with people both in their head and in their heart at the same time is a fabulous way to persuade. People like to think that they are about ideas, about things fitting into proper positions. But in reality, all of us make our decisions on our emotion, and then there's a whole half of our brain dedicated to then explaining why that was a factual, logical thing that you just did. So, very good, very good. I would suggest possibly telling us ahead of time a little more of the treat that you're going to give us of sharing your personal experience. That was a little bit of a surprise from the introduction that you gave, that you went that direction. So preparing us would be good. I felt your speech was just like a Vivian Green quote that I saw the other day. Life is not about waiting for the storm to blow over. Life is about learning to dance in the rain. Thank you very much.